In this video, I'm going to be talking about how to put your Cherimoya tree into dormancy to help it in its new growth cycle. Stay tuned. Hello everyone, this is Moses from ZAATAR Gardens, the channel where I help you create a successful urban garden to help you feed your family, your friends, and yourself. And today I'm going to be talking about how to improve your growth cycle of your Cherimoya tree. So right here I have my Cherimoya that was a Chaffee. The Chaffee scion died back in the late frost of last year, but the root still survived and sent up a lot of shoots. So I transplanted it in this new location, and Lulu's going to be walking by the screen right now. And I transplanted it at this new location so I can better manage the weather. It receives earlier shade in the summer, and it's easier for me to cover this Cherimoya now with 6 mil plastic or burlap in this location than it was the other one. So a lot of people don't know that the Cherimoya in California at least goes completely dormant for exactly 30 days in the month of March and in the month of April going south. So the more north you are in California, it'll be beginning March, Central California, mid-March to early April, Southern California, early April to mid-April. And because of last year was warmer, the dormancy was only about 10 to 15 days, and the flowers it did produce dried up rather quickly. And then the fruit that the Cherimoya did produce got burnt up in the sun with the long summer heat we had in California last year. So as you can see on the bottom here, I've begun to pull off leaves, regardless if the leaf looks healthy or not. After pulling off the leaves, you could see a new leaf emerging through the leaf node. This is going to be quite an experiment because I'm forcing dormancy like I do my apple trees to hopefully have this tree go into dormancy longer and in turn produce healthier stems, healthier leaves, and healthier fruit. And as you can see right now, all the leaves have been removed off the Cherimoya. The branches do look very healthy. Now it's a matter of time, hopefully 30 plus more days, and we'll do an update on that when that happens. And I'll put a card on the screen right now showing you an experiment I did using seaweed on my Cherimoya tree before and after. Question of the day. Do any of you grow any uncommon fruit trees? Let me know in the comment section below. I love to read them. And today's comment of the day comes from Instagram, from Fry's Garden LA, or Frylock here on YouTube, asking me why I haven't planted a red baron peach. I explained that it's one of my favorite trees to look at. I don't have one. I used to. And in my opinion, one of the most beautiful trees, if not the most beautiful peach tree or fruit tree. If you haven't seen them before, if I find the image, I'll put it on the screen right now. If not, please look it up on a search engine, Red Baron Peach. Thanks for your comment. And remember, if you want to create a successful urban garden, make sure to subscribe. And as always, happy gardening.
Okay, like, share, subscribe, and thanks for watching, everyone.